In this video, I want to show you how to connect your Canon imageCLASS LBP122dw to your Wi-Fi network. It's very easy. It takes less than 2 minutes. You need to go on the display right over here. Alright, so you're going to press the OK button to turn on the display. Once the display is turned on, you're going to press the down arrow again and select Menu. Press OK. Over here we need to select Preferences, so press the down arrow and then OK. Go down until you select Network. Press OK. And now all we have to do is to select Wireless LAN, which is the second option right over here, and press OK. Select Yes by pressing the left side arrow and OK. So over here we have all the Wi-Fi networks that it has found, and you need to select yours. So this is mine and I'll press OK. Wait a few seconds and it will ask you to enter the password. Here we go. So you're going to have a keyboard down below if you press the down arrow. I know it's not very easy, but you're going to navigate like this. Okay, and once you found the letter or the number you want to type, press OK. Once you're done typing, go back up and select Apply. Then Yes. And at the end, you're going to get connected. This is a confirmation that everything went well. From here, you can press the back button a few times just to go back on the main menu. And as you see here, we have the Wi-Fi logo simply telling us that it's now connected.